next point in this chapter is the development of the endosperm in post-fertilization changes. You know, after the process of the fertilization, the zygote are converted to form the embryo. Then the primary endospermic nucleus to forms the endosperm. Then the ovules are converted into the seeds. Integument, after the process of fertilization, forms the seed coat, that is the testa and the tegmen. Then the ovary, after the process of fertilization, they are converted to form the fruit. And ovary wall, it also forms the fruit wall, that is also called as known as pericarp. Okay, here it means that these changes they occur after the process of fertilization. It means that they are included in the post-fertilization changes. In these post-fertilization changes, in this period, we will discuss or study the PEN, that is the primary endospermic nucleus. After the process of fertilization, it also forms the endosperm. What is meant by PEN or primary endospermic nucleus? These primary endospermic nucleus, they are formed by the fusion of one male gamete with a secondary cell to form the primary endospermic nucleus. You know, these primary endospermic nucleus, it undergoes repeated mitotic division to form the endosperm. The endosperm is the nourishing tissue, nutritive tissue, which nourishes the developing embryo inside the embryo sac. What is meant by embryo sac? You are also studying in the last period. Here, embryo sac or female gametophyte, they are present inside the ovule. Here, this one is the micropylar region. In this micropylar region, one is the large cell, that is called as the egg. This one is the chalizial region. This is the micropylar region. This is called as the egg. Here at the chalizial region, 3 antipodals are present. Antipodals are also present, and at the center, secondary cell or a polar nucleus. Secondary cell. You know, in the male gametophyte, structure of the male gametophyte, 2 male gametes are formed. One of the male gamete fuses with the secondary cell to form the triploid primary endospermic nucleus. Okay, and another male gamete fuses with the egg to form a zygote. And here it also forms the endosperm. Triploid primary endosperm undergoes repeated mitotic division to form the endosperm. It means that the development of the endosperm and the embryo, they are also formed after the division of the zygote. The embryo and the endosperm, they are also developed simultaneously inside the embryo. Here, this is called as the embryo sac. Its development is simultaneously inside the embryo sac, and gradually these antipodals are degenerated. Okay. Already here. Means such a type of structure, they are also present inside the embryo sac. Then here these endosperm are of 3 types. किती प्रकारचे असतात एंडोस्पर्म? 3 types चे असतात. One is the nuclear type, nuclear endosperm. Second is the cellular endosperm. And the third is हिलोबियल एंडोस्पर्म. हे मी रब करते, एवढं तुम्हाला समजलेलंच असेल आता. हिलोबियल एंडोस्पर्म. Okay. Means in the angiospermic plant, 3 types of the endosperm are present. One is the nuclear endosperm, second is the cellular endosperm, and third is the hilobial endosperm. But the development of these 3 are of different types in the angiospermic plant. Here, in almost all of these 3, the karyokinesis and cytokinesis, they are also takes place. In these 3, karyokinesis and cytokinesis takes place. आता karyokinesis means what? Here in the first case, the karyokinesis are not followed by cytokinesis. पहिल्या केस मध्ये न्यूक्लियर एंडोस्पर्म मध्ये karyokinesis are not followed by cytokinesis. In the second case, karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis. And in the third case, these cytokinesis and karyokinesis, they are also occur. Therefore, it is called as the intermediate type of the endosperm. Intermediate type of the endosperm. Okay, here. Then firstly, we will see or study the nuclear endosperm. In these nuclear endosperm, you know, almost all the development of the endosperm, they are also takes place inside the embryo sac. This is the embryo sac. One is the micropylarian. This is the micropylarian here. Zygote, it undergoes divisions to form a developing embryo. Okay, and here the PEN nucleus, they are also present. This complete structure is the embryo sac. हे काय आहे? embryo sac. आता ही जी एम्ब्रियो सॅक आहे, हा जो न्यूक्लियस आहे, तो न्यूक्लियस म्हणजे काय? हे सगळे चेंजेस कधी होत आहेत? पोस्ट फर्टिल आफ्टर द प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्टिलायझेशन, म्हणजे फर्टिलायझेशनच्या नंतरचे सगळे चेंजेस आहेत इथे. Then here the embryo, they are also present, developing embryo. These nucleus, they divides mitotically. काय होतं? डिव्हिजन कोणतं होतं? Mitotic division होतं, and the 2 nuclei, they are also formed here. Again, it undergoes a repeated mitotic division to form the large number of nuclei, they are also inside it. आता हे जे न्यूक्लियर डिव्हिजन होतं, याला काय म्हणायचं? कॅरियोकायनेसिस. काय म्हणतात त्याला? कॅरियोकायनेसिस. In the next step, repeated mitotic divisions, they are also present. Means these nuclei, they divide mitotically to form the pre-nuclei. They are also present inside the embryo sac or a female gametophyte. Here, when they are also formed inside the embryo sac, at the center of these embryo sac, in such type of cell, central vacuole, they are also occur. Due to the development of this central vacuole, almost all nuclei, they are pushing towards the peripheral side. कुठे मूव्ह होतात त्या पुश होतात पेरिफेरल साइडला. सच अ टाइप ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज अ न्यूक्लियर टाइप और सच एंडोस्पर्म इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज अ न्यूक्लियर एंडोस्पर्म. अगेन इनसाइड इट हे काय झालं कॅरिओकायनेसिस. कॅरिओकायनेसिस झाल्याच्या नंतर इथे नेक्स्ट स्टेज मध्ये here embryo is also developing embryo is also present. The cell wall formation are also takes place from periphery towards the center. This is also known as the nuclear endosperm. म्हणजे कॅरिओकायनेसिस झाल्यानंतर या एंडोस्पर्म मध्ये लगेच सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन झालं का? नाही. सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन केव्हा झालं? आधी फ्री न्यूक्लियर डिव्हिजन झालं, त्याच्यानंतर मध्ये व्हॅक्युअल तयार झाली आणि ह्या व्हॅक्युअल तयार झाल्यामुळं ह्या ज्या न्यूक्लिया आहेत त्या पेरिफेरल साइडला मूव्ह झाल्या. त्याच्यानंतर मग सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन दे आर ऑल्सो टेक्स प्लेस फ्रॉम पेरिफेरी टुवर्ड्स द इनर साइड. Such a type of endosperm is also called as a nuclear endosperm, found in 161 families of angiospermic plant. Example is a wheat, sunflower, and they are also found in the coconut. You know the structure of the coconut. नारळाचं स्ट्रक्चर तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. नारळ फोडल्यानंतर आतमध्ये पाणी दिसतं आपल्याला. त्या पाण्यामध्ये ही कंडिशन पाहायला मिळते. फ्री न्यूक्लिया प्रेझेंट असतात इथे. इथे काय असतात? सेंटरला फ्री न्यूक्लिया असतात आणि साईडचा आपण जो पांढरा पार्ट खातो नारळ तो म्हणजे हा एंडोस्पर्म असतो. म्हणजेच काय नारळामध्ये कोकोनटमध्ये कोणता एंडोस्पर्म पाहायला मिळतो? न्यूक्लियर एंडोस्पर्म. ओके, गॉट इट. नाउ द सेकंड टाइप ऑफ द एंडोस्पर्म इज अ cellular type of the endosperm. In the cellular type of the endosperm, karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis. म्हणजे न्यूक्लियरचं डिव्हिजन झालं की लगेच सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन होत असतं किंवा सायटोकायनेसिस होते. आता ही एम्ब्रियो सॅक आपण सेम ठेवूया. इकडं मी तुम्हाला इथे ड्रॉ करून दाखवते. इन द सेल्युलर टाइप PEN nucleus, this nucleus they divide into two nuclei. Here embryo is present, developing embryo. Two unequal cells are formed. Upper is the larger cell. Here this nucleus they divide mitotically into two nuclei. Cell wall formation is takes place. Again these two nucleated cells they divide mitotically. Nuclei they divide mitotically into again two cells, upper two they are here, lower two. Cell wall formation is also takes place here. अशाच प्रकारे परत सेलच्या मध्ये इथे डेव्हलपिंग एम्ब्रियो असतो and the nuclear division is followed by the cytokinesis. It means that the karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis, karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis, and such a type of endosperm, cellular endosperm, they are also formed in the second type. Such endosperm they are present in 72 dicot plant. Example is a balsam. Okay here. Then in the third type of the endosperm, that is called as the hilobial type of the endosperm. In the hilobial type of the endosperm, some characters of the nuclear and some characters of the syllabial, it means that the karyokinesis and cytokinesis they are also occur. In the third type, here this is the embryo sac. This one is the nucleus of the PEN, that is the primary endospermic nucleus. Here developing embryo is also present. These nucleus of PEN, primary endospermic nucleus, they divide mitotically into two unequal cells. हा न्यूक्लियसचं डिव्हिजन होऊन कॅरियोकायनेसिस होऊन सायटोकायनेसिस पण लगेच होतं आणि टू अनइक्वल सेल्स तयार होतात. The upper is the larger cell or a bigger cell, and this is the bigger cell that is present towards the micropylar region. Lower is the smaller cell present towards the chalazial region. Again, these nuclei present inside it. It undergoes the repeated mitotic division to form the multinucleated structure. Here cell wall formation is not takes place. This stage they are also found in the nuclear endosperm. After this pre-nuclear stage, at the center of a cell, large vacuole is present. Due to presence of these vacuole, the nuclei they are pushing towards the peripheral side. Such a condition, this condition, it is also in the nuclear endosperm. After this process, here the embryo, two unequal cells, okay. The nuclear division followed by the cytokinesis or a cell wall formation. Okay, here, ether space a cell. Such a type of endosperm is a hilobial type of the endosperm. They are present in a monocot plant. Present in the monocot plant, and example of this monocot plant is asphodeles. Okay, म्हणजेच आपण आज इथं काय शिकलेलो आहे, डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ एंडोस्पर्म इन द पोस्ट फर्टिलायझेशन चेंजेस. The primary endospermic nucleus, it undergoes repeated mitotic division to form the endosperm. Endosperm is a nourishing nutritive tissue which nourishes the developing embryo. Endosperm are of three types: nuclear, cellular, hilobial type. And these nuclear, cellular, hilobial type, they are also found in the angiosperm, different types of the angiospermic plant. आता cellular nuclear म्हणजे काय, कॅरियोकायनासिस नंतर डायरेक्ट सायटोकायनासिस होत नाही सेल मध्ये. इथे सेल्युलर मध्ये कॅरियोकायनेसिस झाल्यानंतर लगेच सायटोकायनेसिस होतं, आलं लक्षात. आणि हिलोबियल मध्ये पहिलं डिव्हिजन न्यूक्लियर होऊन सायटोकायनेसिस होते, दोन अनइक्वल सेल्स तयार होतात. अपर इज द लार्जर सेल और बिगर सेल, लोअर इज द स्मॉलर सेल. इन these two cells, the pre-nuclear division they are also takes place, means the mitotic division, the nuclei they divide mitotically into multinucleated structure. At the center of these large vacuole they are also present. Due to presence of these large vacuole, nuclei moves towards the peripheral side, and lastly in the last stage the cell wall formation they are also takes place from peripheral side towards the center. Such a type of endosperm is also called as hilobial orbital. Got it? समजलं इथपर्यंत. आता याच्यानंतर the development of the embryo in study in the next one. Thank you.